Hey, what's fun guys, I'm Max and this is Maximum Drone, and today we're gonna test 3 different prop holder. I have the PGYTech right there, I've been using it for a while. But we're gonna test 2 others prop guards that I ordered via Amazon because I couldn't find anything on Best Buy or Future Shop. No, it's that Future Shop. So we're gonna test out the ease of use and if they're holding well when you put it in the bag and put it back. By the way, if you like that kind of content, why don't you subscribe? It's free for you and it's gonna help me out to grow this channel a bit more. And don't forget to press, like Layla, don't forget to press the like button there and the subscribe button over there with the bell notification so you can know when I'm posting new videos. So let's do the test just after this. So let's open the package I received from Amazon with the other prop holders. But nah, let's not use the X-Acto knife. Let's use a proper knife. This is a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
It might be a bit overkill. Well, yeah, every YouTuber uses a cool knife, but this is what I have. It's an old Rambo. I mean, imitation of Rambo. Stainless steel knife that I had since I was like, I don't know, 12 years old. There's a compass on the top, and there's a fishing lure and everything. Not fishing lure, but fishing apparatus you can use in case of emergency in the woods. Just like Rambo. So let's open the box. Oh my god. It doesn't go that well. Be careful to those fingers. And let's leave it there. You don't need the paper. Recycling. Oh man, a big box just for those tiny boxes. Wow, what a waste. Come on, Amazon, you don't have anything smaller than this? Oh, it's gonna go in recycling bin. So I have the Sunnylife, the box there. And I also have the HRTech, no, HRTech, sorry. Small box like that. And hold on, I have the box for the original PGYTech. Hold on, I'm gonna get it back. And this little box was for the PGYTech that I've installed. So it came in this little box. So those are the 3 propeller holder we're gonna test for the DJI Mavic Air 2. So let's start off with the PGYTech. I'm gonna remove it and install it as fast as I can. So I'm gonna put a number over there on the right to show you how long it takes to install the PGYTech. So let's move in the shot. Okay, ready, set, go. First, you have this in this way, install it in the same sense as this. And then in the back, first one of the props, and then you jump over the grooves and you put it, the other props in, and there you go. But let's try going faster without explaining. So I'm gonna remove it. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, countdown. Ah! There you go. Ageless. Boom. Done. You see, it's pretty fast. It holds into place. I mean, if you can tug it and it's gonna remove it, but this one is pretty sturdy, as you can tell. It's an elastic band with 2 plastic holder on each side, as you can see here. And on the back it's only rubber, but I mean it holds. So let's do a proper test inside and out of the bag. My little bag there. I kept the remote controller, the radio controller, and I kept the extra batteries. So it fits very snug in.
That's what she said.
We're gonna see if it holds or if it's gonna be pulled back. Let's dig in. Boom. Close it. Shake it. It's the worst case scenario, but woo! And remove it. Yeah, this is perfect. Oh, it holds. Very nifty. So that's it for PGYTech, and let's see how it compares to the other brands. You can check it out. So let's unpack it. It's only 2 straps, so it might be pretty simple. Come on, there we go. So I guess there's one for the front, one for the back. They are exactly the same size, as you can tell. So the same size. Let's see how it goes. So it's the first time I use them. Oh, hold on. No, the holes are the same. So I wonder, okay. I really don't know how to install them. Let's see how easy are they. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. I doubt that this is the way you install them. Like there. Maybe there's an instruction guide, and this is not the way to use them, I guess. Come on. This is not it. This is... I'm sure this is not it. Look at that. It wiggles. Nah. Wait. Is there an instruction manual on this? Nothing. So I really don't know how to install those, because this is not holding at all. Look at that. What the hell? Okay, let's check on Amazon. Maybe they were showing a good example. Yeah, it's exactly like I did. It's ridiculous. Look at that. It's exactly like I did. It won't protect anything. Well, okay. We're gonna do another test. Speed test. In 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. There's one. This is ridiculous. There's 2. Done. I mean, okay, it won't hold at all, I'm pretty sure. Let's check it out in the bag and out. I'm hoping I won't destroy my propellers, so let's put it in. Ah! Oh my god, it's getting out of the bag like this. It's not good, not good. Not good at all. Ooh. Should I shake it or not? Let's shake it. Just for the fun of it. Okay, enough. Oh, sorry. Let's put it out. Take it out. It's holding. Barely. You can see that it was almost pulling out of those. See that? It's not good at all. I mean, those were $10. Canadian, so imagine. Those were cheap. Cheap as propeller. So, yeah. I mean, it's barely enough. But it won't protect your propellers at all. It's too flimsy. Those were the HRTech. And now for the last one from Sunnylife. It almost sounds like Sunny D, but you can't drink this. Those are two different pieces. Let's open them up, but maybe not using my big knife because there's a little tape. I'm gonna use the X-Acto knife. So let's cut it there. Careful with the fingers. Huh. Those are red. Oh wait, it's one piece. I thought it was two pieces. Okay, no, there's the black version and the red version. This is what confused me. So it's a strap with a button. So I guess you put it like this. But which side is which? I guess this one with the drawing of what? I don't know. Maybe it's in the bottom. Well, we'll see. Okay, let's figure it out together. Okay, let's do a speed test. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I guess this one is the bottom. Let's put it on the back. Let's put it like this. So I guess this goes on. Oh yeah, it goes like this. And look, there's a triangle that goes between the two props on the front and the bottom. This one is tricky. As you can see. And it's solid. It's silicone. A silicone rubber or something. Come on. Is it in? It in. Woo. Man, it's sturdy. It's really sturdy. I mean, this is pretty good. See that? Holds into place. So I was right. The drawing goes on the bottom, as you can see. The GoPro drawing goes at the bottom, and the triangle goes on the top. I'm gonna show you the triangle in the strap, and the bottom goes on the button. Sorry, French. The button goes on the side, and it fits in the grooves between the arms. See that? It's really nifty. It goes into the grooves. Groovy. Okay. So now that's in place, let's put it in the bag, do a shake test, and put it back, put it out. Go in. Man, it slides right in. See that? Really good. Let's shake it. I think it's gonna hold because yeah, I have a good gut feeling, and it's still holding. And my props are very neatly preserved, as you can see. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one from Sunnylife. And how hard is it to remove it? Hook. Boom. That's it. I was telling about the triangle, so this triangle goes on top, like so. Boom, and the drawing of the little props that goes on the bottom. No, I like it. It's a silicone rubberish material. I guess it's gonna hold. I got a good feeling about this. So, if I had to compare the PGYTech and the Sunnylife, I think I really like Sunnylife. I mean, maybe it's gonna get loose after a while, the hole.
Really? Nothing.
Where you put the bottom in, as you can see on this camera. So, I mean, you need to push so it's in.
That's what she said. Oh my God, what did I say?
Then remove it. But yeah, I really like this Sunnylife, seriously. So this is pretty much this, and I hope you like this comparison test about those different prop holder, and if you did, please press this like button over there, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification. Oh, and you might have noticed I have something new in the background. Yes, it's burning on this chair! Look at that, it's so cute. And shout out to Jamie Weekend. He's my friend who printed it and painted it by hand. It's a lot of job, and look at the details, it's amazing. Shout out to Jamie Weekend, and if you want to follow him, this is his Instagram in the bottom. He's a very good artist, and yeah, shout out. So thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.